time, whatever fits. This is the beginning of the vlog. This is a vlog on the way to Johannesburg. Ewanile off top of Jozi. We are going there as a team to perform there. So today, we're gonna show everything that's gonna happen there on the venue, everything that's gonna happen there on the stage. So and then the show to tune in so that you guys shall follow up. Nibugeli vlog until it's your pale of a fit. Like and subscribe and share nabangani benu bafethu because yazi ukuthi manibukele kanjena bafethu ne izonigqugquzela especially makhona something oyenzayo when it comes to entertainment, because our vlogs are more about entertainment, are more about lifestyle, are more about ukubonisa ukuthi bafethu everything is possible as long as uzitshela ukuthi ufuna uthola whatever ufuna ukuthola ebomini bakho nayibona le nto leyo. So today I'm on a team yami bafethu akuthola ulido iqhayekazi yakuthola say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
It's a kabyam ngapha bafethu. Say hi to the vlog.
How are you good people? Today is a turn-up day. Today's a big day, guys. So come with us. Rocking stars forever. See.
So injalo bafethu seyiqalile ke vlog yemanje sesivulile and just sivule kanjena kusho ukuthini ke manje kusho ukuthi nizobona more and more of your content bafethu ningasabi sikhona thina ukunika the best premium content bafethu angithola. So stay tuned bafethu masifika ku-venue so nibonisa even more bafethu. ndiyobona isithando sami shona malanga shona, shona malanga shona, shona malanga shona, ndiyobona ulavi wami, ndiyobona isithando sami shona malanga shona, shona malanga shona. Sendambe indawo eziningi ngimtholile ulavi wami, sendambe indawo eziningi ngimtholile ulavi wami, sendambe indawo eziningi ngimtholile ulavi wami.
Thanda indlela ondithanda ngayo, ondibheka ngayo, iyandeyisa,
iyandeyisa, indithatha indibe ekujuleni kotha, iyandeyisa.
noma izenzi lenza uthando elesinalo liyandeyisa.
Sendambe indawo eziningi ngimtholile ulavi wami, sendambe indawo eziningi ngimtholile ulavi wami. Thanda lethu lisibusiso lanjabulisa liyangikhulisa, thanda lethu lisibusiso lanjabulisa liyangikhulisa.
Thanda indlela ondithanda ngayo, ondibheka ngayo, iyandeyisa. Thanda indlela ondithanda ngayo, ondibheka ngayo, iyandeyisa.
Sendambe indawo eziningi ngimtholile ulavi wami, sendambe indawo eziningi ngimtholile ulavi wami.
Noma izenzi lenza uthando elesinalo liyandeyisa.
Sikephi la?
Say one kilo off, about to get in now. See in the crew, you say. I got a gas for you. I'm telling you, guess who's he? We're out here, guys. We're having fun today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and comment down below. Out here. I get you okay, like it, my friend. But I'm going to introduce. Uli bantu abadala injani na hayi sakhona libahle yo bahle isintu sethu kodwa sihle yazi hayi sihle tshela sidawo thina samanje ke Rocky Stars senza umculo okuthiwa hip hop abaculi abasakhulayo we hope ukuthi nizoyijabulela i-performance yethu ngoba nathi sajabula ukuba nani kule ndawo namhlanje. It's my life and I love it. I ain't saying that it's perfect. Tryna make some out of nothing to make sure that it's worth it.
Siqedile ke lana uperforma ke lana and then ke manje sibuyela back ebumehleli khona kwindawo mesibekwe kuyo. Was a nice performance even though sound yakhona was not that good. Even though the crowd missy performance was not hip hop type style, but again we did our best just to make them do it like spa accommodate. Guys, lana in the Valley sound because I don't want the copyright, understand? So that's why Valley sound. Lana kahle it was a Heritage Day celebration inengane mezikhona for modeling and stuff because mesizela azo support abona vele ke, you understand, and it was a nice experience bafethu ubona ama model amancane asakhula bafethu asenza umsebenzi wawo ngalendlela abawenza ngawo, and I truly love lo moya bawufaka kuyintombi encane ezokhula zine confidence entombi lezi. lana ke use i-creativity like iy'ngane zingena like maybe like if ufuna uba yinesi ugcoka njengenesi, if ufuna uba yi-teacher ugcoka njenge-teacher like into ezifana nalezo. Like lana kahle kahle it's a modeling but at the same time ba-inspire abantwana ukuthi babe yile nto abafuna bazizo. I truly love such things because Miss are the greatest bafethu. Was the first time ever in my life ndibukela ama-modela and that was good. That was nice experience guys. Like it's something new to me but at the same time like I did enjoy it. Hayi kabi sifethu ngi-enjoyile nje kakhulu yabo, especially mambona like wonke lama-team abawenzile different kind of teams zonke izinto lezo. It was a good experience guys. It was very good experience and like ngiyithandile nje kakhulu bafethu yebo. And I truly love even lay set like zwebha like ingane use whatever kanayo plastic, newspaper, amaphepha just to make the address. Nje niyobona yonke lama address emahle kanje ama-plastic amanye amaphepha amanye ama-newspaper, so it shows ukuthi bafethu be creative lana. I truly love this thing. Mina ngiqala ukuyibona mina guys, ayikabi mina ngiqala nje ukuyibona ayikabi. I was very surprised ukuyibona and I was very inspirational ukuthi wow ingane zethu ziyakwazi ukutreat izinto njengale ese number last uyabona njani plastic le efakwe i-plastic emnyama i-dustbin efakwe into ezi-blue, you understand. Lo landela yena and then lo phambi kwakhe i-newspaper, lo ogcoke e-blue and white lo iphepha leliya and then lo ophambili amabhaluni nephepha. So i-creativity guys, ndakutshela it was nice bafethu the way bebuyele ngakhona. I truly love this one ke le blue and white ngiyithandile but amaphepha nabo ayenze ngephepha, you understand. So that's a creativity and then this one is a plastic guys. Yambona naye ukuthi nje indlela azizwa ngayo ngeplastic yakhe usizona level. So it was nice man guys, like I did enjoy myself like watching all these things. And then low paper guys, this is a paper, you know, so they use the paper to make this dress and it's beautiful, you know. So the creativity is on another level guys. Like, you know, this kid like something else. This is a newspaper guys. This one it's a newspaper and then like she used a newspaper and mixed with the plastic and then make that beautiful dress. And then this one is also a newspaper but different design, you see. So these kids, they were good man. Like I was very inspired. Even this one, it's a paper guys. It's a paper, this one, if you see it, let's see, it's a paper little guys. Yo, slow, I was very inspired guys. This one is a newspaper. The way they were doing their things guys was out of this level guys. It was out of this world, you know. So I was very inspired about these modeling things. I did enjoy my Heritage Day, I won't lie guys, because I saw something that I never thought I would see, you know. So it was very inspirational, I won't lie to you. It was very inspirational and I did enjoy my day. Everything was on point. So we were here like we were watching all those things and then like it was like a good. Okay, these are the boys. Bafana ke lawa vethu yabona basa-introduce basangena lana basaqeda ukufika, you understand, because this was the first round yabo bengena lena bafethu, first round bengena lana and then like besazi-introduce. So it was very beautiful as well because after la bazongena ke sebengena sibe ama-couple. So it was good guys, it was good man, I won't lie. It was very good and I truly love such thing because it's keep abantwana busy. Iy'ngane zigcina like sezisuka ezitradeni bekhona something good abayenzayo ebomini babo, yabo lento abayenzile like ihosta like I won't lie, like umsebenzi omhle kakhulu akawenzelana and siyayibonga lento lena mfethu because iy'ngane ziyaphuma esitratini and then ziba safe yayibona loo nto le because isikhathini samanje guys ziningi into ezimbi ezenzakalayo but if ingane like ziba busy kanje like yonke into iba right. Hhayi-ke lana-ke bafethu abazali-ke lana-ke bayajayiva basalindele iy'ngane ukuthi masitshintshe kumnandi bafethu yeyi hhayi kumnandi bafethu yeyi abazali-ke layo bezile bosapota iy'ngane zabo kumnandi kunjaya kujayivwa yonke loo nto leyo bafethu yo ama kumnandi nyana won't lie guys, it was nice and enjoyable, yonke into was on point. Hey guys, ngifuna ngingazana yo. And then lana, this is a couple one guys, this is a couple one guys. Couple ke lena guys, yabona la sebeyangena sebeyama-couple ke la bagcoka isintu. At the same time they are representing Heritage Day bafethu. It was nice bafethu, it was very very nice and inspiring. Angifuna ufaka isound because copyright guys, ama-copyright yo la no jealous because I was going to put the sound ni-enjoy bafethu, nibukele nhliziyyo phela lento le. Niyibone into imenhle kanjani bafethu. It was very beautiful, and I truly love it guys, I truly love it. I enjoyed myself yesterday. Nalabo bebekhona bafethu, siyabonga for support ukuthi nize buy amathikithi. It was good nje guys, I truly happy bafethu for laba abazile labangazanga. Next time guys, inani is available, masini invite kuma event wethu esiyakuwo, but not us who are hosting this event, but we invited, so that is what I'm saying, must be siwenizi. Ayike lana seshawu chase ke lana bafethu, ningathi wine so wine le, this is a fruit juice, understand, so mesiphuza yona. Ayike saqala interview ke lana guys, it was nice to qala interview ke lana ke.
Sacrifice of flesh, not your spirit, stay identity, fight for your roots. Ungashenge to me, izinto bantwana, okokubanathi, ifele nazo. Khuluma njalo, biza maka, kakataze, idalwa nawe, imboni nawe. Dakita njalo, mina nidlale. Dakita njalo, mina nidlale. Dakita njalo, mina nidlale. Dakita njalo, mina nidlale. Azobu vumu bukos, tambe ngata. Vumu bukos, tambe ngata. Azobu vumu bukos, tambe ngata. Vumu bukos, tambe ngata. Bukos bomoya, tambe ngata.
Get other nations for guidance. Don't we have our own in Africa? What do we love? What do we protect? Our enslavers. The wise will follow the wise. The spirit has spoken, so I won't defy. I'm gonna listen.
Taking over now, baby. Get out of the way.
MP Production.
It's you. Stop around me. It's you. Stop around me. I'm feeling good. Don't go more now. I'm feeling good. Don't go more. Baby, it's you. Stop around me. It's you. Ayike guys, lana mesisiqedile interview sokumnandi yena ke. Interview was not that hard, it was very simple but enjoyable at the same time, but tricky somehow. But I'm gonna drop interview yakhona mase idropile ke bafethu, ngizoyidropa bafethu uzele ukuthi nani ukwazi ukuyibukela bafethu. It was very nice, I won't lie. Guys, ke lana was end of the vlog bafethu, because mesiqedile interview yonke into ihamba kakuhle, kumnandi kunjeyana. Stay tuned for the full interview bafethu, so share naye mase iphumile interview, because misela top of Jozi sa perform abamnandi abanjeyana and we had fun, sa enjoy nje kakhulu bafethu. Ne interview memnandi nayo, was not a difficult interview. Bye.